5 potential striker transfers for Arsenal to replace Misfiring Aubameyang. Arsenal surely need to think seriously about making a change up front after Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's total loss of form. The Gabon international was left on the bench against Everton last night, but still came on late in the game, missing a great chance with one of the last kicks of the match, extending his long goalless streak in the process. It's now 6 games in a row that Aubameyang has failed to find the back of the net, with the 32-year-old on his longest run without scoring since he moved to the Emirates Stadium. We started to see signs of Aubameyang's decline last season as well, so could the Gunners now enter the market for a replacement? Here's our list of 5 names who could be ideal to come in and become the new main front man at Arsenal. Dusan Vlahovic, Fiorentina. One of the most exciting young forwards in Europe at the moment, Dusan Vlahovic is enjoying a superb season in Serie A and is sure to earn himself a big move sooner or later. It might already be too late for Arsenal to be realistic contenders for the Serbia international's signature, as one imagines he'd now fancy his chances of an even bigger move to clubs competing in the Champions League and aiming to win titles. Still, if Arsenal once again find the kind of money they spent over the summer, there's surely a chance they could throw everything at trying to convince Vlahovic to make the move to the Emirates Stadium and have a promising young team built around him. Jonathan David, Lille. Another young striker in fine form at the moment, Jonathan David has shone for Lille and seems likely to be on the radar of bigger clubs at some point in the near future. The Canada international first caught the eye during his time with Gent and he's looking increasingly impressive in a more competitive European league, so perhaps he'll be ready to make another step up soon. Arsenal might do well to try moving for David sooner rather than later, or they may well find that he goes down a similar route to Vlahovic and quickly becomes a less realistic target for them. Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Everton. A proven Premier League centre-forward, Dominic Calvert-Lewin could be an option worth considering for Arsenal. Some Gooners might have their doubts about the England international, as he's really an out-and-out goal poacher more than the kind of all-rounder they'd perhaps ideally like. But at the same time they clearly need someone who can reliably stick the ball in the back of the net. Lautaro Martinez, Inter Milan. Lautaro Martinez to Arsenal? Another fine player with his best years surely ahead of him. Lautaro Martinez has impressed at Inter Milan and often seems to be the subject of transfer speculation. Like with Vlahovic, it remains to be seen if AFC would be the most realistic contenders for a player of this caliber, but the club also need to show some ambition if they are to replace a big name like Aubameyang. Patrick Schick, Bayer Leverkusen. Finally, Patrick Schick is having a great season with Bayer Leverkusen and might be one name who's slightly under the radar and therefore more realistic for Arsenal. Plus, he scored this absolute stunner at Euro 2020 and we'd love to see that kind of talent in the Premier League. Well, this sums up the video. 5 possible striker replacement signings that Arsenal could make. Who do you think Arsenal should sign to replace Aubameyang? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. As always, come on you Gunners. For now, goodbye.